Hey everybody, it's Keeks, and I got Ashley here. We're going to be working on her Jeep today. We've been working on it for a few months now. She got it, brand new JL, and we're just upgrading it, customizing it as everybody with Jeeps do. So Ashley, why don't you go ahead and let us know what your theme is for the Jeep?
My theme is a mermaid. So far I've already put up my side steps. I have my steering wheel cover, which is diamonds, and if you can see from right there, I have little scales on my seat covers. And my tire cover is also a mermaid. So today we're going to be putting on the brackets and lights on top.
So Ashley went ahead and painted her brackets for her new fog lights and LED light bar. So we're going to get in that. We're going to go ahead and start putting it together. This is all going to be done with the universal kit that Jeep provides for the new JLs. So let's get into it. All right, so these are all the pieces that we got going on into the Jeep. So right now we got the brackets. Ashley already went ahead and painted them. We're using the Rust-Oleum Gloss Protective Enamel. It's pretty heavy duty, threw a couple of coats on there. This is in the Maui blue. This is kind of the theme for the whole Jeep. It came with its extended screws and mounting plates, but we went ahead and got some more vinyl foam. Get this for weather stripping. It's going to help out a lot. We don't want any extra scratches on this brand new Jeep. Then we went ahead and got into Amazon, ordered this set. It's a light bar set that comes in 3 pieces, flood and spot. We have 2 spot fog lights that are going to mount to the existing brackets on there. We're not going to mount the wiring today because we're still waiting on a wiring bracket. But other than that, everything's going to go on today, and it's going to look a lot different. So let's look at the before and after and see how it goes. All right, so I'm going to be going over the kit that came with the Jeep JL. It's down here, and you just open it up. It comes with a ratchet wrench, a 15 millimeter, a T50, and a T40 Torx wrench. And now these are going to be used to go ahead and cut these bolts down. And we're going to take them off. We're going to mount the brackets up. First, we're going to go ahead and mount the backing plates onto it so we don't scratch up this paint. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the vinyl weather stripping down. I got it right here. I got from Home Depot. Open it up. You can see this one's kind of thin. They don't really give you a lot of them. This one's a little thicker. You can get this for, I think it was like $3 it cost us. It's about 3/4 inch wide and 3/16 thick. I'm going to go ahead and take these bolts down. We're going to pull it off. I'm going to put the bracket on. I have the newer, longer bolts to allow for the longer clearance that we're going to have with the extra metal on there. Now the biggest thing, whenever you're going to be bolting something in, you want to go ahead and do it by hand first and then get your placement together, then you can tighten everything. All right, so we got the brackets on, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the LED light bars on. We're gonna put those together. Once again, we're just gonna wire it up, but we're not gonna actually install the switch because we don't have the switch mount for it.